How are you doing? Welcome to this new class. We are going to, in this class, if you already create this service, get it up on a sample cloud provider, and then, generate the Linux instance and go ahead with the complete installation. I am going to test in this cloud provider, since I was working with DigitalOcean, as to change a little bit. All the providers are going to have, in some section, the object storage part. They are going to call it in some different ways. DigitalOcean calls it space. Here, Akamai calls it object storage directly. Generally, maybe, you have to ask to register the object storage. In other cases, is simpler. In one place, it's all done. Here in Akamai, I already had requested it. So now what I need to do is just create the bucket and work and create the key pair. Remember, we said that we are going to create a key pair. Remember that we have mentioned that you work with a key there. I'm going to put it, you work with a key, one secret key, to be able to access. Let's remember this, the URL, the location where the full API network is going to be. Omniliads is going to work with to save recordings, consult recordings, etc. Secret key. And we are missing the name of the bucket, which is what we're going to create here. I already have the user and the password. Now I'm going to create a bucket in one of the regions. And here I have, notice, the complete URL to access the bucket. So I have the bucket name, the URL where the bucket name is, username and password, which are the 4 parameters that I need to tell to the Omniliad installer, according to already the section of the documentation that tells us how to raise an Omnilit instance using an external bucket. So, if we review here, the same as in the previous section, without dialer or with dialer, the important thing is that more beyond that, it is without dialer or with dialer. In addition to the information that already we presented, here it is passed as environment variable usend, just the URL of the bucket, the access key, the secret key, which is what we saw of hi just now, the region. In the case this is null because we will not use it, and the name of the bucket. Then what we're going to do is, to arrange also, I already have the bucket. I already have all the management at the level, usend, object storage. Therefore, simply I'm going to happen to create me now an instance of Linux to deploy Omniliads. Let's remember about the issue of the VLAN or the VPC or the interface or private IP address. If this is so that the components can see each other, and for Omniliad to raise some ports, expose only within what is the private IP and not on the public network. And here let's choose for this VLAN. For the private IP part, here is 1022. And I think with this, we will create and, we will be able already to carry out the deploy. according to the fact that we have the instance, the Linux instance where we'll run all the Unilit components except the object storage that will be served here by the provider in an external way.